Good morning. Today is, what is this, December 3rd, 2019. This is Math 8, and we're talking about systems of equations, one, none, or infinite. First, we're going to do all of yesterday's lesson. You ready for yesterday's lesson? Okay, start like this. Remember yesterday's lesson? It went like this. Graph a line, there's the solution. Okay, one more time. Do yesterday's lesson for me. Graph a line, there's the solution. And because we have Benavides here, let's do some singing. Just because, how do I graph a line? Oh, ready? I'm not even going to sing. You're going to do it because she doesn't believe that you can sing. Here we go. Ready?
Y equals mx plus b.
Y equals mx plus b.
Y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b.
Smash. Oh, hey, that M. What does that M even mean? What does the M mean? No, show me with a song and a dance. What does the M mean? Stand up. What is M? Okay, ready? What is the M in that equation? It is
Rise over run. Rise over run.
slope is defined, rise over run, like a middle school student. Rise over run. This is so lame. The slope is defined, rise over run. Okay, and if I get a mini-me equation and I don't like it, what can I do? A mini-me that I don't like, still standing up. And if I don't like that, I can
Move the x divided by the y. Then you have to simplify.
slope intercept.
You equals 5.
So,
Move the x divided by the y.
all right, good. So you just saw about 4 days worth of lessons. That's good stuff. So here's today's lesson. You ready for today's lesson? Yep. First, before we do today's lesson, remember yesterday's lesson. Yesterday's lesson was
Graph a line.
there's the solution. Here's today's lesson. It's got 3 parts. Part 1. Ready? Part 1, do it with me. Today's lesson. Graph a line, one solution. Part 2, ready? Graph a line, no solution. Part 3, graph a line, infinite solutions. In your notes. A tree map. 1, none, infinite. This time with lines. Before we did it with just equations. 1, none, infinite. Underneath each of those, we're going to need 3 coordinate systems. If you come after school, I will give you a notebook. On those 3 coordinate systems, we're going to graph the 3 things could happen. Ready? What's this? This is one solution. It's right there where they cross. Give me an example of a one solution. Good. Nice answer. You see where this is going. Good. Okay. This is 1 because it crosses in one place. This is none. Why? Because it doesn't cross. If that one point is the solution, this has no crossing, no intersection, no solution. 1, none. Okay, and this is infinite. How many points do these lines share? Every point. This one's hard to draw, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one line right on top of another line. It's the exact same line twice. Because they share a point. All those points are shared, infinite points. All right. So look at that no solution. How would you classify those lines? Like there's a name for those lines.
Oh,
I know. Ah!
undefined.
Perpendicular.
Not perpendicular.
Zero.
Negative.
I like how we're raising hands and just shouting things out. This is awesome. Ganter.
Positive.
Nope.
I know. We learned
Sam.
Parallel.
Parallel. These are parallel lines.
That's
Put this in your notes. They're parallel lines. And this one's going to be for Benavides, because she knew parallel. But does she know those? They have a name. See if you can Google it. There's a term for two lines that are right on top of each other. Two lines that are right on top of each other. There's a name for that. And, okay, go for it.
Perpendicular.
No, perpendicular are like this, where they intersect at a 90.
Coincident.
So, I don't know what, it keeps coming up with coincident. That's not the term. Not, congruent means it's, actually interesting. Congruent means identical in shape, but that's not the term. Go for it. They're not overlapping. I mean, that's not the term I'm looking for. Actually, coincident, I don't know why that's popping up. Unless
That's
it's,
all I see.
Yeah.
unless,
It says if
It's
two lines are
exactly
overlapping.
shapes that line
Parallel.
exactly on top of each
Yeah.
other. Examples: these two lines are coincident. Only you can't see them both because they're on top of each other.
how do you spell that word?
COINCIDENT.
C-O-I-N.
Coin incident.
No. No.
Coins.
It's coin.
C-
CIDENT.
C-O-I.
Okay, what? One person at a time. I'm going to talk to Eli. Go.
C-O-I-N-C-I-D.
C-O-I-N.
C-I-D-E-N-T.
Okay, and here's the word that
See?
I'm going to be using.
It's a coin.
Coinciding. Google that word. So I think this is
That's the same thing, but it's just
coinciding. Coincident. I wonder, is that the same word as coincident? Coincident?
coincident.
This is the word I'm going to use, coinciding. Put that one down. When you Google it.
The dictionary definition is occurred at or during the same time.
So a coincident,
That's
that makes sense. We're going to use coinciding because that's the geometry term for it. So these are called coinciding lines.
Oh, this one's better. This corresponding to position equal to the second.
Coinciding lines. Get that into the notes. Good. Nice. And let's do a couple of graphs. Oh, good. Boom, 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 boom. How many solutions right here?
One.
Uno.
One.
How many solutions right here?
No.
How many right there?
Infinite.
Infinite. I've got two equations for two people. Get up there and graph the first one, Dakota graph the second one, and then we'll call it a day.
Really?
Sure.
Oh, yours looks so neat.
Oh, this is E.
But it's what you did yesterday, except now you're going to have nuns and infinites along with it.
Well,
Graph a line, look at it.
Do you have a ruler here?
I do have a ruler you can use. I'll hold it for you. Good. All right, there's our first line. Dakota, second line. Where's Liam want to start his life?
7.
Put him at 7. How does he want to move?
Up 1
Have him go up 1/1. You can do it. I know the
Down
graph.
1/1.
Yeah, okay, down 1/1. Make sure he's positive though. Yeah, perfect. You got it. How many solutions is this going to be, Maddie? You see it already happening. It's going to be one solution. Right there. Cool. Questions? 5-second count. Okay, I want 20 minutes of Excel in class. I'm trying to get Legends of Learning going, but it's been blocked. I don't know why. If you finish with the homework, then tell me and I'll have you do something else. Yes, Talitha, you're gonna go get your paper? Good. You wanna go get your paper? All right, we're done.
Okay.
Benavides, come up here. Benavides, who's gonna do like the outro with Benavides? Get up here.
Yes.
Show her how to do it. Bring it. Yeah, you have to be on camera.
Okay, what do I have to do, Griffin?
You have to say, thank you for watching, goodbye, subscribe to his channel, make sure you bring him a burrito, and signing up. Yes! Thank you for watching, subscribe, see you tomorrow,
Bring me a burrito.
and bring Mr. Barre a burrito.
Bean, rice, and cheese.
Yeah, that's exactly it. Okay, bye.